You recording? We doing this?
Born with the syndrome.
Well, friend, it's not good.
Take two.
Then you get to do this soon. Yeah, I can show you. These are 8. I think these are halves.
It doesn't mean like this inside. All in consideration.
Loctite's not as effective if it's been watered down by being in a bottle cap.
One of the comments on this reels says, "Sick, illegal speed shops." A weird name.
And boxes actually, but it's all body drop. See if this is way too much, and then got 3 more to do. That's a lucky boy.
Trying to do a little double focus.
hopes that they're in here like the Dickens. Most expensive fucking center caps in the world. 210 bucks. That BBS tax is a real motherfucker.
Okay, well, we got the wheels on the Rabbit. BBS RS's. Got them for a really good price about 1 year and 2 months ago. They were in horrible shape and they'd never been split before. So I split them and I tried to seal the zero lips like 3 times and they wouldn't seal. They were also only 5.5 wide. So the right move was to hit up SRR Hardware out of England and then hit up, well, SRR Hardware is where I got the lips. The hardware is all original. The 1/4-inch hex caps came from AG Designs, Adam Gerard, who's done a bunch of stuff on the car for me, and he's actually helping us with the Type 3 as well. Got them powder coated locally, split them. We have the beginning of the video is me rebuilding them real quick. Thankfully, my eyeball measurements for these lips turned out really well. There's about a 1/4 inch before it hits the fender, so I can go a lot lower. The only issue with that is I have a Euro Sport lower brace, so these cars have no subframe, so that brace ties in the front and rear control arm points to stiffen the chassis in the front. I have about 3 inches until I hit that. So we're probably gonna go 1.5 inches and then just be careful on bumps. A 1.8T swap is doing pretty good. I swapped a few sensors the other day. Still need to go through and check my axles and all the hardware on everything just to double check. But yeah, no, I think it looks incredible. For a $400 shell, she's looking pretty damn good. Oh yeah, the car is 400 bucks. Completely gutted. There's no title, so it's insured. I'm just gonna roll around dirty for a while until I get the title figured out. Shifter in the car was 3 times the cost of the entire car, so I'm in it pretty deep, but it's all for fun. And I found some Bondo when I was rolling the fenders, but aside from that, the car's been really good. So for 400 bucks, I can't complain at all. So this is just my personal project. So this is a little bit of a side quest from the Type 3 content, just kind of like the video of us bagging my daily back there in the Tiguan. But no, it's just nice to share stuff that we're doing. Hopefully here soon, we'll be getting some rollers of this thing and doing some pulls. Thanks for watching, and do us a favor, watch a couple more videos, share it with your friends. It's really all we can ask.